Hi friends, I am Charak Ray, career consultant in ABCD Consulting. Today we'll discuss about fashion designing as a global career. Fashion design refers to the design, manufacture or marketing of garments and textiles. India's textile history is long and illustrious, from skills and handlooms to exclusive embroidery and hand-spun khadi. The range and the variety of textiles in the country is indeed vast. This is a fact that the global fashion market has just discovered. The export value of Indian textiles is steadily increasing. Moreover, Indian fashion designers are beginning to mark on the international fashion scene alongside the Armanis and the Gucci's. This is an indication that the Indian fashion industry has finally come of age. Some essential attributes. Fashion designers must possess the following personal attributes. Number one, sense of aesthetics. Number two, key sense of color. Number three, visual imagination. Number four, knowledge of market trends. These areas of work. The primary areas of work in the fashion industry are as follows. Designing. This is the most important area of work in the fashion industry. This involves designing garments for different age groups and according to specific requirements. For instance, costumes for television, films, and many more. The designers are involved in research, designing according to needs of the clientele, the functionality, budget, and choice of textile are the key considerations here. Next, patterning, and next, presentation to the clients. The designer begins the designing process only after thorough market research. That is, understanding the needs of the client market in terms of functionality, budget, and many more. A single designer or a team could undertake the designing process. On completion of the designing, a presentation is made to the client and the production department. Changes, if any, are incorporated at this stage. The final design is created and passed on to the production department. This master design becomes the basis for production in the manufacturing department. Market research. The global fashion market is extremely dynamic. Hence, the need to constantly keep a tab on changing trends. The market research is crucial to manufacturing units, retail businesses, and export houses. Pricing and product requirements are directly dependent on market research statistics. Market research is conducted by the researchers with at least 5 to 10 years experience in the fashion industry or by designers themselves. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is an important area of work in the fashion industry. It includes purchase of textiles and fabrics. Number 2, training. Number 3, scheduling. Number 4, pattern making. Number 5, finishing. And number 6, quality control. The production process begins with the receipt of design from the designers. The required textiles are then purchased and the production process begins. The master pattern is created according to the design prescribed. The master plan or pattern is then reproduced in a variety of sizes with the help of the trained personnel such as tailors, assemblers, embroidery experts, and many more. The garment is created. Wherever machinery is used in the production process, machine operators are employed. Quality control is also an important focus area, especially if garments are being produced for the export market. Packaging is also a part of the manufacturing process. Production can be categorized into large-scale mass manufacturing, as with export houses manufacture through smaller units. The main personnel employed in the production department are the production manager, the assistant manager, supervisor, tailors, helpers, machine operators, packaging personnel, quality control personnel, and many more. Machine work versus handwork. The mass manufacture of garments for the booming export market has given a nod of approval to machine operated garments factories. With such factories, pricing is extremely competitive and the rate of output is higher. On the other hand, the traditional manufacturing units that rely heavily on handwork, from cutting to embroidering, the karigars, whose family have been in the business for several hundred years, so do everything by hand. Consequently, the cost of labor is high and the rate of output is limited. This industry is facing a threat in the wake of the mass manufacturing trend. The efforts of a handful of arts and crafts activists such as Jai Chetli have ensured that these traditional crafts are kept alive in the 21st century. Fortunately, these units are receiving patronage from the government in the form of tax cuts and promotional activities. The export market for this exclusive handcrafted garments is slowly opening up. Openings. The fashion designers, researchers, and the production personnel are employed by manufacturing units, export houses, retail and wholesale garment businesses, upmarket tailoring units, boutiques, government and quasi-governmental manufacturing units, fashion show organizers, fashion publishers, both print and online, film, TV, theater, as costume designers, and so on. So friends, this is a very promising career option for you. If you are passionate about fashion and designing, then definitely you should go for it. So all the best for your future. anywhere in this career option. All the very best. Thank you.